Your phone glows in the dead of night. Her last message, a dagger. We're done. The room spins. Her betrayal, a fire in your chest, scorching every promise you shared. Why did she turn cold? Stoicism. Women don't just hurt. They strike to test your core, masking their own fears with silence. What's she hiding behind that final text? Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoic philosophy forges pain into power, crafting a Stoicism mindset that makes Stoicism women question their choice. Unravel their secret, master your strength, and rise now. Stoic Reign is your crucible for Stoicism motivation, guiding men to conquer Stoicism relationships in a world of broken ties. Stoicism. Women seek men who stand unshaken, wielding Stoicism for beginners to tame pain. In today's digital storm, where ghosted texts and curated posts spark anxiety, Stoic philosophy brings clarity. We'll harness Stoic quotes, ignite Stoicism exercises, and strengthen mental health. Stoicism women don't chase weakness. They pursue inner strength. Let's uncover 8 truths to master Stoicism on love, ensuring Stoicism women feel your resolve. My friend James faced this fire. His girlfriend vanished, leaving him shattered. Stoicism. Women test men like him. But James fought back. He journaled nightly, vowed discipline daily, and rose stronger. His Stoicism practice a beacon. Stoicism women noticed his fire, drawn to his unyielding core. These truths, forged in his path, will build your Stoic reign, making Stoicism women rethink their tests. First, face the pain head-on. Stoicism women watch for weakness when you're burned. You stare at her text, heart pounding, her words a wound. Most men hide this pain, lost in apps or drinks. Stoicism. Women respect a man who faces hurt head-on. Seneca teaches, suffering is universal, but you choose its grip. Tonight, list one feeling her rejection stirred, like anger. This Stoicism practice clears your mind, building self-confidence. In a world of quick fixes, facing pain is rebellion. Stoicism women sense this depth, drawn to a man who reduces anxiety through Stoic philosophy. List your pain and your Stoic reign begins. Second, choose calm over pursuit. Stoicism. Women expect you to chase their silence. She posts a story smiling with friends, waiting for your reaction. You walk a quiet street, phone off, choosing calm over pursuit. Stoicism. Women test control, craving a man who holds steady. Marcus Aurelius guides. Silence speaks louder than words. In today's noise where pings demand replies, calm is power. Skip her story tonight. This Stoicism daily habit shifts the tide, forcing Stoicism women to doubt their hold. Your stillness, a Stoic philosophy, builds Stoicism motivation that commands respect. Stay calm, and your Stoic reign rises. Third, rebuild your core. Stoicism. Women don't follow men who cling to their shadow. Her absence tempts you to prove your worth, to fill the void. At dawn, you run a mile, not for her, but for discipline. Stoicism. Women chase men who rebuild their core. Epictetus instructs, be the man you choose, then act. In a world of social media traps, discipline stands out. List one strength you gained today, like focus. Surround yourself with men who sharpen your Stoicism mindset. This Stoicism for beginners step fuels personal development, drawing Stoicism women to your clarity. Stoicism lessons rebuild you, and your Stoic reign grows. Fourth, master emotional control. Stoicism. Women probe with subtle signals. She texts, hey, how's it going? You feel the urge to reply, heart racing at a work break. Stoicism. Women toss these hooks to test your emotional control. Seneca warns, your mind creates more pain than truth. In digital chaos where posts hit like darts, detachment is strength. Wait 10 seconds before replying, or don't. This Stoicism exercise cuts or pull, making Stoicism women question their grip. Your detachment, a Stoic philosophy, shifts power. Stoicism. Women feel this core, and your Stoic reign commands focus. Stay steady and you rise. Fifth, turn pain into habits. Stoicism. Women admire men who turn pain into habits. Her betrayal could sink you, but you choose growth. At night, name one habit her hurt sparked, like early mornings. Stoicism. Women value men who build from wounds. Zeno teaches, small steps lead to virtue. In a culture of instant highs, habits are rare. Do one push-up daily, adding one each week. This Stoicism practice builds resilience, easing mental health struggles. Stoicism. Women are drawn to this fire, sensing a Stoic reign that endures. Build one habit, and your Stoicism motivation shines. Sixth, hold steady under doubt. Stoicism women test men who waver under doubt. Her sharp comment at a friend's dinner stings. Eyes on your reaction. You nod, steady, unmoved. Stoicism. Women seek men who hold self-confidence amid chaos. Musonius Rufus declares, work's reward outlives its strain. In a world where likes measure worth, standing firm is rebellion. Stand tall for 10 seconds daily, shoulders back. This Stoicism exercise strengthens Stoicism relationships, making Stoicism women rethink their tests. Your steady core, rooted in Stoic philosophy, builds a Stoic reign they can't shake. Stand tall, and you lead. Seventh, live with purpose. Stoicism, women chase men who live with purpose. You mentor a teammate. Your focus on impact, not her memory. Stoicism. Women don't pursue men who dwell. They seek those who act. Cato teaches, virtue shines alone. In today's grind, where distractions sap productivity, purpose is power. Help one person. Weekly like a coworker. This Stoicism for women practice builds life lessons, drawing Stoicism women to your clarity. Your purpose, grounded in Stoicism mindset, forges a Stoic reign that reduces anxiety. Act with purpose, and you become magnetic. Eighth, master your path. Stoicism. Women respect men who master their path. She sees you thriving, a man she can't sway. Stoicism, women don't chase need. They pursue strength. Epictetus seals. Freedom is choosing your focus. In a world of noise, a Stoic mindset is rare. Write one goal monthly, like learning a skill. This Stoicism exercise cements inner strength, making Stoicism women feel your Stoic reign. Your mastery, build it through Stoicism daily, ensures you stand alone. Stoicism, motivation makes you untouchable, and your legacy grows. Stoicism. Women feel regret when you rise. Picture her checking your posts, seeing your fire, new habits, steady calm. Stoicism. Women doubt their choice as you act, not dwell. Seneca whispers, live boldly, not long. Your Stoicism practice, rooted in Stoic philosophy, builds Stoicism relationships that last. Stoicism, women crave a man who offers strength, not chaos. Your Stoic reign, forged through self-improvement, is yours. Stoicism for beginners turns pain into power. And Stoicism women sense this shift. Act now, and your core holds. James transformed with these tools, and so can you. Seneca journaled nightly to conquer pain. Marcus Aurelius vowed daily to master chaos. 4 Stoicism exercises will forge your Stoic reign. First, journal nightly, naming one truth pain revealed, like patience. This Stoicism daily habit strengthens mental health, drawing Stoicism women to your depth. Start tonight. Second, vow each morning one principle, discipline or honor to guide your day. This Stoicism exercise fuels Stoicism motivation, building self-confidence. Commit now. Third, hold a stone weekly saying, I am enough. This Stoicism practice forges resilience, making Stoicism women feel your Stoic reign. Act today. Fourth, pause 10 seconds daily before reacting to a trigger, like her text. This Stoicism exercise grounds emotional control, ensuring Stoicism women see your strength. Begin now. In 7 days, journaling calms your mind. Pausing saves you from fights. In 30 days, vowing and stone affirmations make you untouchable. A man's Stoicism women can't ignore. Mike, a Stoic Reign viewer, paused before replying to his ex's text, stayed calm, and won her respect. Start these now, and your Stoic Reign will rise. Stoicism. Women don't own your value. You forge it. In a world of chaos, Stoic philosophy builds life lessons that outlast pain. Stoicism on love thrives when you stand unbreakable, slashing anxiety, mastering Stoicism relationships. Your Stoicism mindset, sharpened by Stoicism exercises, carves a path to personal development. Stoicism. Women chase men who rise, not beg. Will you stay broken or claim your Stoic reign? Join Stoic Reign to unlock your untouchable self. Subscribe, vow one Stoic principle below, and name one step you'll take today to make Stoicism women feel your strength. Rise now or stay in their shadow.